Hey guys, today I will show you how to make your smartphone run as if it was a new one. And here's how to do it. First, clear all cache data. Go to your settings app. Click on storage. Click on cache data and allow it to remove it. Second, disabling animation. Open Settings app and click on About Phone. Tap the build number 7 times. You will see a message that you have enabled developer options. Now return to settings and search for developer options and open it. Scroll down and tap Windows Animation Scale and select Animation Off. Repeat Animation Off step with Transition Animation Scale as well as Animator Duration Scale. Third, remove Bloatware and Unused apps. Open Settings. Tap on Apps. Click on the app you want to delete. Tap the install or disable option and select OK to confirm. Fourth, removing home screen widgets. Select the widget and drag it to the dustbin or delete icon. Fifth, optimize Chrome browser. Open the Google settings. In it, search for the data saver option. Click on it and read its condition and switch it on. Sixth, update to latest version. Open settings. In it, click on About Phone. Click on System Upgrade. If it's up to date, then it's OK. But if not, then update it immediately. If you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe it.